Today we're going to be looking at structs in C. So what is a struct? A struct is a structure. It's a way of grouping values and to treat them as a single type. So let's start with an example. Let's say we have a function that takes an x and a y and it draws a red pixel onto the screen. With a struct we can group that x and y and pass that to our function. Let's take a closer look at this. So first we create a new data type called point, which holds our x and y. We can now pass that as a single variable to our function. We can access that x and y using the dot notation. So we'll start with pos.x, which gives us the x within inside the pos variable. So why would you want to do this though? Well, it makes the code easier to think about, especially when you have a lot of values that always go together. It is also clearer what a function is doing when it wants a point instead of just two integers. It also makes it easy to improve your objects. Imagine you wanted to add a color value to every point. You'd have to change all the drawing functions to take a color, and you would have to change all of the places where you draw from. With a struct, however, the new color value just comes along with the position. For example, let's say we add the color value to our struct. The function itself still just takes a point. It doesn't have to change. With inside the function, we can now access the new color value when we're drawing. Structs can be used like any other data type. You can have arrays of them, you can pass them to functions. They can even be a member of another struct. So this has been a very brief overview. Some technical points have been skipped, but hopefully this is enough to get you started.